Hi guys, in this video let me see units used in measurements in metrology. Importance of units and standards. In order to a measurement should be useful, a measurement standards must be followed. A standard is an exact quantity that the people agreed to use for comparison. For example, this weight. It is used for comparison to buy anything. For a measurement to make sense, it should have a number and units as per standard. For example, here is a weight stone. Suppose we are going to buy any of our things by weight. We will compare this weight with our buying things. Objective of this units is to understand the international system of units, base quantities and derived quantities. Unit systems is classified into CGS system, centimeter, gram and second, FPS system, foot, pound and second, MKA system, meter, kilogram, seconds. And SI units. SI stands for International System of Units extension of MKA system. This is derived from the MKA system. Unit system, there are 7 basic measurement units from which all other units are derived from the 7 basic units. Let me see the 7 basic units. These all are 7 basic units: length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance and luminous intensity. The unit of the length is meter, mass is kilogram, time is second, electric current is ampere, temperature is Kelvin, substance is mole and intensity is candela. The short symbol for this: M for meters and kg for kilogram, S for seconds, A for ampere, K for Kelvin, MOL for mole, CD for candela. These are the symbols we will use to mention the unit. All of the units except one are defined in terms of unitary value. The one exception is the unit of mass. It is defined as 100 grams or 1 kilogram. It is also unique, that is only unit currently based on artifact. The US kilogram, hence all other standards of the mass based on the particular platinum iridium cylinder kept at the International Bureau of Weight and Measure in France. In case any prototype kilogram were changed in standards, all mass standards throughout the world would be wrong. Derived quantities. Physical quantities which can be derived from the other 7 physical quantities, that is called derived quantities. Derived units. The units of the physical quantities which can be expressed in terms of fundamental units. For example, area and volume. Unit of force. Force is nothing but mass into acceleration. The SI unit is kilogram per meter second square, that is called 1 Newton. In CGS system, we will say this force is 1 dyne. MKN system, we will say this unit in Newton. FPS system, we will say in poundal. And energy, the same energy, we will say in the SI unit is joule, and CGS system 1 erg. FPS system is 1 feet poundal. Let me see the prefix of SI units. Kilo is 1000 and deci is 0.1, centi is 0.01 and milli is 0.001, micro is 10 power minus 6 and nano is 10 power minus 9. These are the prefix of SI units for weight and length. Examples or length. Generally, we will measure the length by using the meters or millimeters or nanometers. Suppose there is a shortest distance, we will measure in meters. On longest distance, we will measure in kilometers. Suppose the scale is minimizing, for example, nanoparticles, we will go for the nanometers. These are the measuring tips of length. Temperature, we will measure the temperature by Kelvin, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Suppose we are measuring in Celsius, we can convert into a Kelvin. For example, Kelvin equals to 73 degrees Celsius plus Celsius temperature. Fahrenheit also we can convert here C star, that is Celsius star 9 by 5 plus 32. Like that we can convert. Mass we will say in terms of kilograms or grams or milligrams. Suppose we are going to buy a dal, we'll buy in kilograms or grams. Suppose we are going to buy a gold, we will buy in the milligrams. Time, we will say the time in hours, minutes, seconds. For example, we will say the exam in 2.5 hours and 30 minutes, and we will say in seconds. For example, we are using this scale for athletic persons. The second is very important. So these units we will say depends upon the place to mention the meaningful form. For example, for mentioning the distance between the two places, we will say in kilometers. For a shortened distance, we will measure in meters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.